Pranam. The third in the series of Surya Namaskar is an asana called Padohastan. Your hands touch your feet. So that is how the name is. Secondly, we will be exhaling in this asana, and I will tell you where the awareness will be. And fourth is the mantra, which is very simple this time. It is Om Suryaya Namaha. So we will just have to do one pre-practice before you can actually do it nicely. So what you do is hold on to any railing and just try and stretch your back straight from the sacral area. So once you are able to stretch your back from the sacral area, then you can even, try and bend your knees a little bit. Your hands have to touch the ground. If you are not able to touch it without bending, you can bend your knees and then try and straighten them. So this pre-practice will help you do this asana very nicely, and gradually as you are into it, because we are going to do it every day now, the entire Surya Namaskar, so you'll be very comfortable doing it. Now let me tell you the entire sequence. Again, I am comfortable and I will be entering this asana from the second. That is, my hands were up and now I'll be going down. So, Hasto Padohastan. My feet are touching the ground. In this posture, I had exhaled, and the mantra which I said in my mind is Om Suryaya Namaha. So I am going to the Sun Lord who induces so much of strength inside me. And while I was doing this bend, my focus was on the sacroiliac area. Now this sacroiliac area in yogic language is called the Swadhisthana chakra. Swadhisthana, आपका अपना स्थान. That means your own self-respect, your own self-esteem, your own uniqueness. So you are going to Sun Lord, praising the strength of the Sun Lord, invoking the Sun Lord to give you that strength so that you're able to have that self-respect for yourself, be grateful for so many things in this world, and move on fearless with your self-esteem and uniqueness intact. Pranam. Till tomorrow, 4th in the series.